This is Pat Mayer from Lipo Chemicals, and the topic I will be talking about today will be our texture platform and the Lipo products that are used to create textures in formulations. So for the textures platform, Lipo is looking at textures that can be used to create formulations that have themes that are similar to nature or to different types of fabrics. So the textures we're going to talk about are silk, cotton, moss, sand, rock, and glass. So the first texture is silk. And when we think about silk, we think about it as a sensorial texture that's very soft and smooth. And also, when we think about textures, we need to think about what we see. So when we look at silk, we see it's shiny and it's sleek. So here we're looking at both our sense of feel and our sense of sight. So Lipo products that can be used to create different textures. First, we'll talk about our emollients. The first one is Liponate NPGC2, which is neopentyl glycol dicaprylate dicaprate. This is a light, elegant, silky emollient. It's vegetable derived, and when you put it on your skin, it has this elegant feel, and it's a very smooth spreadability, the feel of silk. And then we can take a look at a formulation that is created using Liponate NPGC2. And the formulation is Temptation Cream. It's a very simple formulation using only one emollient, the Liponate NPGC2, at a higher concentration of 11%. And in this formulation, you can feel that very silky, smooth texture from the Liponate NPGC2. Liponate NPGC2 is an emollient ester, and it will create a specific type of light sensorial. Now, if you're interested in using a hydrocarbon to create a silky feel, SilkFlow 362 and SilkFlow 364. These are hydrogenated polydescenes, also with a very smooth, silky feel. The trade name SilkFlow was coined from the idea of a piece of silk flowing across the skin. So this is a very smooth, silky emollient with a very nice, shiny appearance. Then also to create a silky texture is jojoba buttercream. This product is a composition product or cream base that's composed of shea butter, jojoba alcohol, potassium jojobate, and propanediol. Using the product in a formulation will give this smooth feel, a very emollient feel, and jojoba buttercream also functions as a secondary emulsifier. This is a natural jojoba derivative from the Desert Whale jojoba product line, and this product is excellent for use in cleansing formulations such as shower products. It's also very good to create silky feel in emulsion systems. Then continuing with the silky feel, we have biopolymer BHA10. Its INSI name is polyquaternium 10 and hyaluronic acid. Now this is an active ingredient which provides substantive moisturization through the polyquaternium 10, which can attach to skin or hair, and then the complex, which is formed with hyaluronic acid, provides the moisturization. So this is an active which also has a texture. When you put the active ingredient in the formulation, it's going to be very smooth on application. It has a slippery type of feel, and then it film forms for this very silky final feel. So an active with texture. And then the last ingredient that we'll talk about for silk or silky feel is Orgasol 2002 XD Nat Cause, and this is nylon 12. Nylon 12s are sensorial powders that have a very silky feel. So if you put them into a pressed powder, they're very excellent for compaction properties, and they provide this very, very smooth feel in a pressed powder. And we can take a look at the formulation. This is a pressed face powder using Orgasol 2002 XD Nat Cause at 3%. If you felt this formulation, you would have this very elegant, silky feel. Orgasols can also be used in many other types of color cosmetic formulations, also to create silky feels.